Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I don't do all 5 fingers because I had messed up the video. So I do my pinky, I think my ring finger, and then my thumb. That's why it's not so long. But this set been on for 4 weeks, so I'm about to do another set. So I'm gonna record that. But I forgot that this was in my archives. I really did. But as y'all see, I do the number 14 pen, the 14 acrylic brush. Then I got my Tammy Taylor clear pink that I'm using as a base because I don't have any UNI clear acrylic. That's crazy, ain't it? Then of course my primer. So you take a sec. Clear pink. That's my mixture I made. So I mix that with a dark pink and the P3 to get this pretty base color I like. So y'all know that's my primer and stuff. So what you do is you go ahead and prep your nail. You put your tips down. You file your tips. You do your prep. You go in and you apply your primer, which is an adhesive for acrylic, if you want to say. It's like a sticky base for the acrylic to lay down to where it adheres to where it don't pop off. Basically, pretty much. I mean, it's sticky and stuff, but it lasts. As soon as you put it down, you want to lay your base, because I believe you have 10 to 20 seconds before it dries. I believe they said. I'm gonna have to check, but I believe that's what it was. But different primers have different times. You know what I mean? So I'll let y'all finish watching. Underestimated this acrylic, and this is me. This is my first time double tipping Coffin nails this long, so I was frustrated. That's why I only did 3 fingers. I ain't gonna lie to you. I was so frustrated, and I like to be not perfectionist, but somewhat perfect. But I was irritated, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna do this finger. Let's see how it works. But the pinky, I don't know. It was just weird to me trying to do it because it would just kept moving and stuff. It was just, man, listen, I don't know why it was a hard time trying to do this, but that's what I said, it's not hard. It just, I don't know what it was that day. I was not feeling it, but it turned out good, but I was just not feeling it at all. But just put small beads of acrylic down, blend them in together, fill in where needed to be. The areas how y'all see me go back in and put the little small beads down and the places I needed it. But yeah, I really got frustrated with this acrylic. But I'm gonna let y'all finish watching. in, and I really, for one, didn't file how I wanted to because I was scared that they was going to, like, separate. You know what I mean? Like, if you file too hard, you ever had, like, a nail tip pop off while you filing, like, when you glue it on and you got glue it back. So that's why it's like this. So I waited until I put the acrylic down. Then I went back in and filed it to the shape, like, to perfect my coffin shape. But I was like, I just make sure it don't run on the side. That way you can still have some shape left. Because if you don't keep your shape when you put an acrylic down, it's really hard to go back in and shape your nail. Like, especially if you got it on the side or underneath the nail. You got acrylic, because acrylic is hard. It builds up. Like, once it dries, it dries. Like, it's hard to get off. You know what I mean? So you just want to make sure you go in there and just put small beads. But yeah, like this one, this was the point where I was getting frustrated. Like, oh my God, you know what? Forget about it. Forget about it. As they say, forget about it. But yeah, I don't know. I had another video I was going to put for y'all guys like 2 weeks ago. And I don't know. I think I deleted it on accident. And I'm like, it was the almond nails for my daughter. And I don't know where that video went. But I just ended up recording this. And I forgot I really had this in there. So I'm like, you know what? Let me show them how I did this. But I promise the next video is going to be longer than this video. But I'll let y'all finish watching. smooth my thumb went. Like, I didn't start getting control of the acrylic until I got to my middle finger. But, like, I don't know. That's why I said patience. Like, you can't get frustrated or it'll affect your work. You know what I mean? So, take your time. Apply small beads. Practice. Because even me, like, I've been doing nails for a minute. Like, and I still got irritated because it didn't lay how I wanted to lay. But then it started laying because I stopped getting irritated. You know what I mean? So, I appreciate y'all watching. This is almost at the end of the video. And then I'll show y'all what my nails look like. But, yeah. See, look. Perfect. Crazy. It's crazy. And this is after I laid it. This is my design. Beautiful. And I took them birds off because they was getting caught on everything. But I just filled it in with bling. But yeah, that design, lovely. Blueberry lemonade. As always, thank y'all guys for watching and stay tuned.